We're here in Charlotte, North Carolina to check out a drive-in. That sounds familiar, doesn't it? Last time we were here, we're at the Barbecue King on the other side of town. Well, today, we're at their friend's place at a joint that's been open for more than half a century. Now, it was started by three Greek brothers and still owned by the same family, serving more than 20,000 meals a month. This is South 21, serving Charlotte since 1955.
I want a cheeseburger.
It's just an institution.
Two hamburgers.
People in Charlotte know it and love it.
Yeah, it hasn't changed at all.
Looks like your kind of place, right? Cool cars, cool drive-ins.
You wrote and told me that I needed to come check this joint out.
Absolutely.
Because
It's good. Delicious. It's terrific.
to get that,
Hey, how you feeling this evening? Great, thank you.
I love it. It's great. Classic drive-in food. Just grew up on it.
so did owner Maria Husiadis.
What else, sir?
Her dad and uncle started it all back in '55. Did you always work in the drive-in?
Ever since I was 14 years old.
Now, she and her husband, George,
Will it pick up
are keeping this Charlotte tradition alive.
chicken white?
From fried chicken
Okay, hope you enjoy.
to onion rings.
Ready?
And the bestseller,
The Superboy.
the Superboy, a classic double burger.
Pick up.
And they're doing mine Carolina style, loaded with slaw and scratch-made chili. Whose chili recipe is this?
My father had the original recipe. I just messed with the spices a little bit.
Okay.
Put a little oil in here. Ground onion.
Okay. I think the oil's hot.
Now the meat goes in.
Lamb?
Ground beef.
If you're a drive-in owned by a Greek family, you're not gonna have any like lamb.
No, there's no lamb in
Lamb
here.
it.
Tomato sauce.
Okay, so we cooked the meat down. Now we go with the spices.
Salt, red pepper,
Paprika,
little garlic, black pepper, chili
powder. Gotta have chili powder in it. Which isn't just from a chili.
little allspice.
Which isn't just all the spices, it's a berry.
And we finish it off with a little hot sauce.
How much? That's a little. Add a little water. So how long is this gonna cook?
About 3 hours.
Low and slow. Time to eat it?
Yes.
Ready for this? Wow. It's really good. Goes over dogs and burgers.
Correct. We're on a Superboy burger. That's the famous Superboy.
Not frozen?
Fresh every day.
How do you know when it's time?
When it gets white around the edges,
Oh, see, there's something about that burger. Look at the crust that it builds up there.
put a little salt on it, buns.
Every burger you cook gets the little...
Gets toasted, yes.
Really?
Top and bottom. We fix you what?
All right, do it up, baby.
Mustard, then of onion, slow, and we move over here for your chili.
You're gonna put the chili on the...
Chili on here, okay?
I've never seen that. You sure it's supposed to go on the vegetables?
Give it a little better flavor that way. Pickle, go for it.
Ooh, look at that. That's great. That has all of the key pieces that a great burger needs to have. The cool slaw, the bite of the onion, and then you get the chili with a little bit of spice. That is Burger 101 right there, baby. So I'm here in an area known as Noda, north of Davidson Street. And of course, you'd know that if you're from Charlotte, North Carolina, to check out a little brewery where they're making 8 to 14 different beers at a time. And I'm not really here for the beer. Yeah, right. I'm actually here because the chef is scratch making a menu that goes perfect with handcrafted beer. I mentioned they have beer? This is Heist Brewery.
Chicken and waffle tacos up.
Heist is definitely unique.
Need beer cheeseburger?
They have great beer, and I don't think you can find better food.
This is ridiculous that this is work, okay? But owner Kurt Hogan wasn't always this casual at the office.
I'm a science guy. I was in biopharma for a little bit.
Then left to go back to business school.
I was homebrewing at the time, and I decided to make my hobby a reality. I met awesome people.
Who became partners, like head brewer Eric Mitchell and general manager Spencer Farrell. And then they added executive chef Scott Walker.
We sampled some of his food, and we're just like, all right, this is a guy. Beer cheese up.
Everything's made in-house here.
And they infuse their beers in a lot of their menu items.
Even down to their not-so-basic burgers.
Burger, burger, burger up.
The burger is really yummy.
Probably one of the best burgers, sliders I've ever had.
I love the goat cheese and the bacon jam.
All right, let's start it off.
We're gonna make our bacon jam.
Okay.
Starting off with a little olive oil, raw bacon.
Bacon is rendered down.
We're gonna add some minced shallots.
Got it.
Some brown sugar and crushed red pepper flakes.
Now in with the honey.
And then our Heist Brewery house-made beer. So stir this up.
So let this cook down.
At a low heat for about 2 hours. Really bring in the beer flavor and get that jam consistency.
I like the hoppiness. You get a little bit of heat in there, a little bit of sweet. This is all on burger.
Yes, sir.
I just have that in my hand.
All right, beer barbecue sauce. Start with our oil blend. We're gonna saute some garlic and bring out the aromatics.
You watch too many cooking shows.
Add a little bit of onion,
Tomato paste, cooking that out.
Worcestershire sauce, and then we're gonna do brown sugar, yellow mustard, a little bit of apple cider vinegar, plum tomato.
And,
Heist Brewery,
okay.
blonde ale.
Did you just do a label turn?
I did do
in the
a
middle
label
of
turn.
the show? Oh, I'm sorry. And then
I Van Whited it.
don't take my lines. Actually, if you could just grow a goatee and bleach your hair, you could cover the Monday shift.
We're gonna use our pole blender to bring all the ingredients together.
For some reason, it seems like you make this in a little bit larger volume.
Sometimes.
I'll manage the cord. You dropped the hammer on that. This is all gonna cook down how long?
About 20 minutes.
All right, chef.
So burger. We're gonna start with our herb goat cheese. Buns are house-made brioche buns.
Seriously?
Yep. House
You
brewed.
got that kind of time on your hands, son?
All our own pretzels, all our own flatbreads.
Seriously? You got some issues.
We get our bacon jam,
Tell me about the burger.
tri-blend, chuck, porter, and brisket.
Got it?
We're gonna do our roasted tomatoes, a little bit of fresh arugula, the beer barbecue, top brioche bun.
A lot of time and energy into this. It's good looking. That's legit going down. Look at that.
It's not good unless you have to lick your fingers.
What you put into one little burger is more than a lot of people put into the whole menu. I mean, you've got such great flavors. The goat cheese is cool, it's tangy, good acid, because you got a lot of sweet coming in from the bacon jam. Love the fat in the burger. The bun's delicious, it's nice, it's light. Flavor, design, attention to detail, creativity, well done. I'm here on Hardin Street in Columbia, South Carolina by the 5 Points area, and this is kind of like the main drag of bars and restaurants for the University of South Carolina. Now, there's all kinds of joints here, just like any college town, but I'm here to see one place in particular, and that's Pauly's Front Porch, because I hear these cats are doing out-of-bounds burgers.
Chalk Creek Burger.
They got the best burgers in town. It's awesome.
Done more than a dozen ways.
You got Sullivan's walking in.
That's how you serve it, with the dagger in it?
Yep.
The Buford.
Fried egg, apple-cured bacon, and onion rings.
It's like premium bar food.
Thanks to culinary grad Kyle Taylor.
Burger to go. I came up with 99% of them, trying to get as creative as possible.
But they all start the same.
They grind their own meat here.
3 burgers all day.
It's as fresh as it gets. When it comes down to it, we come for the beef.
Let's grind some burgers and see how this thing whole starts here at Pauly's.
I get the whole chuck, certified Angus beef, trim off the fat.
Right.
Cut it in strips.
So it'll feed nicely into the chute.
Yep. Season it with roasted garlic, pepper.
Season it now, so as it grinds, it continues to blend it through.
Yep. Sea salt. And then some Worcestershire. Everybody likes Worcestershire on their hamburger, so.
Why not? We'll do some mix.
Yeah. So there we go.
You grind the meat every time you make it?
Yep. I grind it through twice.
Can't beat that. If you're gonna do a burger, cut it up yourself and grind it. This is gonna give you the greatest taste. So now we take this, form them by hand?
Yep.
What size patties you make?
8 ounce.
Pretty good at this?
Oh, yeah. In the bet?
Okay. Looks like you were at 9. Let me just jump in here.
Oh, look at that. It's nice. Right on the money.
I think that works.
So then put it in here
Look at that.
and flatten it out.
So the burgers are done now. We let them rest up for 24 hours. And then the burger we're gonna make with this is gonna be...
Fripp Island burger.
And this baby is loaded with all kinds of fixings.
Fried green tomato,
With the Morrison cheese.
southern salsa.
Really has a great taste to it.
Southern salsa goes on the Fripp Island burger. So red cow peas. Soak them overnight with salt and bay leaves.
Give them a little boil in the morning.
Yep.
Boil.
Pineapple, diced jalapeno, sweet onion and red onion, some scallions, tomatoes. So then diced peppers.
So everybody in, and then what are we gonna bind this with?
Champagne vinaigrette, champagne vinegar, garlic, Dijon mustard, salt, pepper, fresh thyme, fresh oregano, fresh marjoram, fresh basil, whole eggs. I'm using an emulsion blender. Slowly pour olive oil and canola oil into the dressing.
Here we go. Beautiful color. And a nice mix, too. It's not just all bean with some other veggies in there. You guys did it up.
Then salt, white pepper. Let it sit up for a day or so.
All right, what are we into now?
Fried green tomato. Dipped in seasoned flour, then dipped in egg wash, then dipped in seasoned panko.
Let them set up.
Yep. Hamburger patty, put it on the grill.
Gonna wait till a little juice floats to the top, and then we'll flip it.
Yep. Then warm it up on the flat top.
Dig it.
And I'm gonna get a little of this Morrison cheese.
That's a commercially made cheese, and this is your rendition of it, right?
Yeah.
And what's in this?
5 different types of cheese. There's cream cheese, pepper jack, Parmesan blue cheese, and goat cheese.
That's where the tang is coming from. I did actually taste it ahead of time, you know, just for scientific purposes. Green tomatoes ready?
Yep.
So the burger's done.
And then
Look at this.
you don't have to steam it that much, but.
That cheese is so soft, and that burger's so hot.
So the bun, the pretzel bun. I'm gonna put a little of this southern salsa on the bottom.
8 ounces of burger that you grind yourself. The fried green tomato, and
Stab it.
you're gonna go a little Jason on us. As big as my head. The fried green tomato fits in there perfectly. A little bit of that bitterness of the tomato and a great crunch from the panko.
Yeah.
That cheese is out of bounds. Look how it's melted. It's got the sweetness, creaminess, little spinach inside of it. The bean salad is great. And the pretzel bun, that's just the icing. That's a great burger.
Thank you.
Spicy, tangy, southwestern taste is to die for.
The Fripp Burger.
I love the fried green tomato. Really great taste to it.
I love the Fripp, maybe my new favorite.
Really?
Fripp. You can never get bored with a burger because you've got a new one to try.
So I come all the way to Charlotte, North Carolina to visit you, and you bring me to an indoor go-kart track?
That's right. We race in Charlotte.
Is this the drive part of Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives?
Oh, we're gonna drive all right, but let me tell you something. It ain't just about go-karts here. This is some of the best eats in Charlotte, and it's right here at the Pit Road Bar and Grill.
When you're done racing, you're tired, you're hungry, you come in here and have an excellent meal.
Hot lap sandwich.
Thank you.
Awesome sandwich.
It's got a little bit of kick with their jalapeno crema that they have in there. It's perfect.
What are we into, brother?
A hot lap sandwich. We're gonna make a little chicken marinade.
Okay.
Start with Bloody Mary seasoning, kosher salt, cumin, chicken base, fresh garlic, extra Worcestershire.
Extra.
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 Chipotles in adobo.
Yep.
Little spice there.
Mix it up.
I got this. Let's try it out.
Oh, yeah. I'd like a Bloody Mary made out of that.
Yeah, no doubt.
I'm gonna put the chicken in there, let it marinate overnight.
Wow. So this marinates for a day. Now,
Fresh lime juice, little blackening seasoning,
right on top.
right on top. Little taco seasoning,
That's just what I was thinking.
fresh squeezed lime juice.
I mean, how long is this gonna bake off for?
Hour and 15 minutes, 350 degrees.
A lot of work getting this good food out, huh?
No doubt.
While this is cooking, let's make the jalapeno cilantro crema.
We're gonna let Chef Boyer jump in on this one.
All right, we have mayonnaise.
Yeah.
Sour cream, olive oil.
Yep.
Pins oil. Little garlic.
Salt, pepper, onion powder, fresh jalapenos,
Okay.
Seeds in there, get a little
Yep. A little heat.
fresh cilantro,
stems and all.
limes.
Nicely done.
Mix that up.
It's kind of like parade lap right now. 'Cause normally it's just once he gets that pedal down on
Wide
the wood,
open.
it's just that's it. All right, so you let this cool down. Now you can shred it by hand. Wow, that is gonna be one tangy, rich sandwich. Little mozz.
Little mozzarella. 2 minutes through the oven. 500 degrees.
Got it.
Roll the crema, nice amount. Fresh cilantro.
All righty. It's gonna be a little bit spicy.
It's good, though. I like the horsepower behind it.
How'd you just drop the NASCAR right into my cooking show? That Bloody Mary right in there put a ton of flavor into it. The crema is what really ties it all together. I like the little fresh, herbaceous note from the cilantro. There's nothing I would change about the sandwich.
Hot lap.
The chicken with the Bloody Mary mix is just, it's amazing.
The jalapeno crema salsa on it, it adds a little extra bite. It's delicious.
To be able to come in here and get this kind of food, this caliber of food is awesome.
Porch shanks, Concord, table 2.
If you make it in the front door, you will walk out wanting to come back.
Nice job, man.
Good.
You've got a fantastic setup in here.
I've never had any kind of food like this at a go-kart track.
Appreciate it.
Really,
Appreciate it.
what a pleasure. You drive too fast.
You're just mad because you lost.
I am mad because I lost. So we're on the west side of Charlotte, North Carolina. Now, you remember the Penguin?
Everybody remembers the Penguin.
Well, it closed, but the guy, Greg, opened up a new joint over here on the west side. And you know what? This is Pinky's Westside Grill.
Redneck turf and surf up.
The people, the energy, the food is good.
Woo!
Love it. I'm here about 3 or 4 times a week.
This used to be an old garage that worked on Volkswagens. That's why there's a Volkswagen on the roof.
This old garage switched gears from cars to cooking in 2010 when chef and owner Greg Otten cruised over from a legendary local spot. It was about 8 years ago that we met you at the Penguin. And a funky little joint and a great time. That place is closed. Things have changed. To see how you reopen, it's bigger, it's badder, it's faster than it was.
It's everything from, oh, I just want a salad or a fat hamburger with everything on it.
Triple G in the window.
Triple G has 3 patties. It's got slaw, chili, mustard, and American cheese.
And why do you call it the Triple G burger?
Because it was Triple G Volkswagen repair.
See, I thought when you called this the Triple G burger, it was Guy's Grocery Games.
Even in Charlotte, it's got to be about guy.
All right, what do you got, buddy?
We are making our house-made chili for the Triple G burger.
Got it.
80-20 ground beef. Water going in, yellow onion, fresh garlic,
A lot of garlic.
That's a good thing.
chili powder, black pepper, seasoning salt, coriander, hot sauce, cumin.
Okay, so this all cooks down, then you add the tomato paste, cook it up. And this will be the chili that's going on top of the Triple G burger. Let's cook. Are you just gonna get right into the cooking part of this?
Ready
right
to
now?
cook?
This is it, the Triple G burger. This is what we've been waiting for, huh?
This is what this place was founded
3 5-ounce patties.
Stack them up, baby.
Stack them together.
Oh, my.
We've got the pound of meat, 3 pieces of cheese, house southern slaw, mustard, chopped onions.
And then the chili.
Put this on top.
I want to see you do this.
I don't know how to do this. All right, here we go. Get after that. Greg, I'm telling you, it's fantastic.
You're attacking this thing. It's like a coyote got a hold of it.